What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear cache and cookies on Google Chrome. So you might be wondering how to exactly clear your cache and cookies here. Well, clearing them is fairly easy. Now, clearing your cookies or cache here can actually help, in this case, can help your browser to work faster or even solve those minor glitches or issues you may be encountering. So first things first, you want to open up Google Chrome here. Now at the top right, you have this three-dotted option next to a profile icon in it. Now at the very top, you have that X button, so just click on the three-dotted option you see here. Now from here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here. You want to go and just choose the option here that says Settings. Now in Settings, you want to go to the left side here, and you have the option here that says Privacy and Security. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, there are going to be a lot of things like if you hear, like for example, you have third-party cookies, privacy guide, delete browsing data. Now, what you could try doing here is you want to go and click on delete browsing data, and from here you could go and choose advanced. Now from here you could go and deselect or select some details, like for example browsing history if you want to keep your browsing history, your download history, but if you want to delete your cookies and other site data like what we want here, we'll also have your cast images and files here, which in this case what we are aiming to delete as well. But if you're sure that you want to delete this to information here and other information that you also want to include here, you just need to click on delete data at the bottom right here, and that should clear your cache and your cookies on your Google Chrome browser. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.